Good morning, class. It's our class 8 science video, which is our part 27. Student, last video we are discussing our second chapter, which is microorganism, friend and foe, in which we cover some types like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and virus. These are such types of microorganisms which are useful for us and harmful too. Harmful, like just example, our coronavirus, which is destroying our immunity, our health, and so on. And such useful, like which making some food product. And in this video we will discuss about some useful microorganism. Useful microorganism means, students, those microorganisms which help in making the food, like our curd, which made up of from bacteria, and we will discuss in brief. First we revise our last video topics, which is algae and virus. Okay, now students, we know that what is microorganisms because we already studied it. Microorganisms are those which are tiny in structure and which destroy the immunity, or having such ultra microscopic non-cellular microorganisms. Okay, so our topic is algae and virus. Student, what is algae? जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में एग्जांपल दिया था, in rainy season, or you can see in tank, there are some production of a greenish grass in the water, or in the rainy season on the moist wall. So what is it? It is the algae, which are microorganism, and we know that it live in it is known as aquatic plant. Aquatic plants mean just like aquatic animals. Those plants which live in water, and for animals which live in water, these are known as aquatic animals, and plants which live in water. And we know that according to our microorganism definition, such are unicellular or some are multicellular. We know that unicellular मतलब जो सिंगल सेल होते हैं, जिनमें सिंगल सेल होता है. Multicellular, like our human body is made up of different types of cell or many cells. So multi means many, cellular means cell structure, so which is made up of different or many types of cell. Uni means single, one, and cellular is cell structure. Now all microorganisms are very small, so it is not very common for algae कि ये भी स्मॉल है. सारे जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, दे आर स्मॉल इन नेचर, एंड ऑल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म आर सीन विद माइक्रोस्कोप. They are kind of two, red and brown. Red color is known as red algae, and brown color, it's a brown algae. And some are green in color. Why? Because they having a chlorophyll, so they can make their own food. In previous video, like protozoa, fungi, and bacteria, they are non-green, so they can't make their food, they are dependent on other. But algae, it's like a grass which is green in color and having green pigment, chlorophyll, so they make their own food. Now such examples like Spirogyra, Volex. नाउ स्टूडेंट, अब ये जो है क्लोरोफिल इसमें प्रेजेंट होता है एल्गी में. क्लोरोफिल प्रेजेंट है तो इट मीन्स दे आर ऑटोट्रॉफिक, एंड ऑटोट्रॉफिक इज सेल्फ न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वायरस. स्टूडेंट, वायरस आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड विद द एग्जांपल ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. ऑल वायरस आर वेरी हार्मफुल ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग, और यू फॉर living being, not only for human but also for all living beings like animal. Okay, so they are ultra microscopic means जिनका small structure होता है, non cellular, which doesn't have a cellular structure, and they are highly infectious microorganism, same as corona. और ये जो है ये अपने आप को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स. दे कैन मल्टीप्लाई ओनली इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ये अपने आप को सिर्फ किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में ही मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और inside outside the living being they are in inactive form. That's why we are at all in homes now, because अगर हम बाहर निकलेंगे तो जो वायरस है वो हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करेगा, जिसकी वजह से दे विल एक्टिव इन स्टेट. अभी वो इनएक्टिव है क्योंकि वी ऑल आर एट होम. ओके, नाउ they are such non living when they are inactive, but living is when they come in the human body. And whenever कोई भी वायरस, कोई भी बैक्टीरिया जब किसी ह्यूमन बॉडी में एंटर करता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज द होस्ट बॉडी, जिसके थ्रू इट विल टेक न्यूट्रिशन, इट विल टेक एनर्जी, इट विल टेक फूड. सो दोज वायरस और बैक्टीरिया which enters in the human body, and that body is known as host body. Okay, and they are also called as biological puzzles. Some example of virus like polio, influenza, tobacco. Now our new topic is microorganism in human being. अभी हम पढ़ रहे थे कि कितने टाइप्स के माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं एंड उनका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, उनकी हैबिटाइट कैसी होती है, एंड देयर स्टडी. Now we will discuss their useful, their friendly nature, because our chapter is microorganism friend and foe. Okay, so microorganism and human being. Microorganism can be both useful and harmful. It is our journal topic. सो यूज़ ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन फूड इंडस्ट्री, कि किस तरीके से जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है दे आर यूज्ड इन मेकिंग सच फूड. सो फर्स्ट है हमारा इन मेकिंग ऑफ कर्ड एंड चीज़. स्टूडेंट्स, जो हम नॉर्मली कर्ड वी प्रिपेयर्ड एट होम, हाउ कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं हम घर पे कोई भी जब कर्ड बनाना हो. एक सिंपल प्रोसेस है, लाइक वी हैव टू बॉयल मिल्क, then add some drop or add 1 spoon of curd, then it will convert into the curd. So that whole process is known as curdling. कर्ड को जाग लगाना, दैट इज़ नोन एज कर्डलिंग. ये तो हो गया एक नॉर्मल प्रोसेस. बट हाउ द कर्ड प्रिपेयर्ड इन द इंडस्ट्री में कैसे प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. वी नो दैट कर्ड इज़ मेड फ्रॉम मिल्क. जो कर्ड है वो मिल्क से प्रिपेयर्ड होता है, and that process is known as curdling. But there are such 2 types of bacteria which are used in the industry for making a curd, which is, I already told you first, lactobacillus in our first video, which store milk and help in the curding, जिसके थ्रू कर्ड प्रिपेयर होता है. नेक्स्ट, it also contains a streptococcus and many other useful microorganisms. But the most important you have to learn and have to keep in your mind is the lactobacillus, because जब भी आप हायर स्टडीज़ करोगे, so you have to know कि how the curd is prepared. So your answer is lactobacillus. And streptococcus is also, but important is lactobacillus. Okay, next, cheese is also prepared by the bacterium lactobacillus. जैसे जो चीज़ होता है, जो मार्केट में जो चीज़ अवेलेबल है वो भी बैक्टीरिया से ही प्रिपेयर्ड होता है. एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया इज लैक्टोबैसिलस. स्टूडेंट, जितने भी हमारे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, जितने भी मिल्क से ऑब्टेन्ड होते हैं, दे आर ऑल मेड अप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया विच इज़ लैक्टोबैसिलस. और ये मिल्क में भी प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, सो how the curd is prepared, so you have to answer with the help of lactobacillus. Okay, next is in making of idli and dosa. Before starting this, there is an activity number 4, which is to prepare curd. It is common activity, like, and you can prepare it home, so it is very common. You already know that how the curd is prepared. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि किस तरीके से घर पे आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स कर्ड प्रिपेयर करते हो, सेम वही एक्टिविटी है, इट्स नथिंग डिफरेंट. ओके, सो अवर टॉपिक इज़ इन मेकिंग ऑफ इडली एंड डोसा. नाउ जो आप इडली खाते हो, डोसा जो आप बाहर इन जो डोसा प्रिपेयर होता है रेस्टोरेंट और एट होम, so it is also made up of such bacteria. Students, you have to learn the name of bacteria, because now in the ninth or in the 10th you have to learn such names in every class. Okay, and third is in making of bread. Both of these topics we will continue in our next video.